Ready for our first case. Please introduce yourself, state your name and DOC number for the record.
Johnathan Humphrey, 408383.
All right, Jonathan, you heard the introductions. We'll have a parole revocation hearing. Do you have a parole revocation questionnaire in front of you, piece of paper?
A piece of paper.
It says parole revocation questionnaire. It's got your signature at the bottom.
I don't see that.
I don't. No, sir. We do not. I do not have that paper.
Okay, we're gonna stop. Put it on the screen. See if we can put it on the screen for you. Just a second. Look on the screen. It's gonna pop up. We looking for it. Well, do you can you read and write?
Yes, sir.
Do you and did you request any type of, do you have counsel or any type of counsel that you requested or you have?
I have requested one.
Okay, but I don't think you're eligible for one. Did you get one on your own?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, we'll move forward. Johnathan Humphrey, DOC number 408383. Rule number 4, you engage in criminal activity on 8/16/2023 by committing domestic abuse, battery, strangulation, and direct contempt of court. Subsequently, you were arrested on 8/16/2023 by the Morgan City Police Department and charged with these offenses. You later pled to domestic abuse battery first offense on 10/10/2023, served 2 years, served 2 months in St. Mary Parish Jail. How do you plead?
I had pleaded low content.
How do you plead to this rule violation? Yeah, this is a rule violation. How do you plead to that rule violation for parole?
Well, to the parole?
Yeah, I'm asking you.
Well,
What?
see this what they told me. They say if I get a drop to a misdemeanor, that they'll raise the hold on me. I would never cop to it.
I hear what you're telling me. I'm asking you this rule violation. You can plead not guilty, guilty with a statement, not guilty with a statement. You can plead however you want to plead. I'm asking you for rule 4 that I just read to you. How do you plead here?
I'm guilty. I'm guilty.
Plead guilty. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna let you answer Ms. Renata's questions. Okay. Y'all can talk through it.
So, Mr. Humphrey, tell us what happened. You pled guilty. I mean, why are we even here today?
Because I pleaded. The parole officer came to summon. Another parole officer came to summon. He said if I get a drop to a misdemeanor, you're going to raise the hold off. So when they dropped it to the domestic abuse, it was a misdemeanor, so I copped to it. And that's, then the other parole officer came to summon.
Listen, Mr. Humphrey, if that's the case, you were given incorrect information. You pled guilty to domestic abuse, and that is a violation of your parole. Now, the victim in this case was your daughter?
My daughter.
Yeah, tell us what happened.
All right. I ain't even touched my daughter. My daughter she was a runaway.
Right.
So I had to file a runaway. Yeah. And when she came back with some dude, she said, "Oh, I don't want to go there because you'll beat me." So my mom was there and everything. We looking at it like, "Are you serious?" You don't have no marks on her, nothing like that. She just wanted, to get away.
Well, Mr. Humphrey, let me stop you there. Mr. Humphrey, stop. The information we have, which is in the police report, contains images and photos of handprints on her throat, scratch marks, and such as that. Now, so you said you didn't touch her. Wait a minute. You said you didn't touch her, but yet you pled guilty to violating the condition of your parole. Why is that? Why did you plead guilty today?
Yeah, I took a
today.
I had just got out.
Today. No, sir. I know what you did in court. And I know what you said, why you did it, but today we're talking about violating your parole condition and you pled guilty.
Because you said the offense, right? I didn't know that's what it came
The
to.
conditions of your parole, sir, you pled guilty to violating condition number 4 of your parole today. You pled guilty.
I don't wanna violate myself.
Well, I didn't ask you that. All right, I don't have any other questions, Mr. Kelly.
All right, would you like to make a statement on your behalf?
Yeah, see, the parole officer told me that if I get it dropped to a misdemeanor, that they're going to raise the hold off me. And then when another parole officer came and saw me, he said, "Well, this will violate you. I didn't know none of this. I didn't know what the other parole officer said. As long as you get it dropped to a misdemeanor, you're going to raise the hold off me." That's the only reason why I copped to the charge.
Okay. All right, thank you. Panel prepared to vote?
Yes.
Ms. Renata?
Let me just
Good.
let you know, Mr. Humphrey, we do have your parole revocation questionnaire that was just handed to us, and you signed this November 2nd, 2023. And that's the questionnaire that determines whether or not you're eligible for appointed counsel. And according to this, you're not. So I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with my vote today. You pled guilty to violating condition number 4 of your parole conditions. So my vote today is to revoke your parole.
Mr. Freeman?
I concur.
2 votes to revoke, also good vote to revoke your parole for the same reasons as stated. 3 votes to revoke it. Today your parole's been revoked. Good luck to you. We'll adjourn at St. Mary, 8:29 a.m. Thank you.